So I'm making camera straps. I love to put nail polish all over them and customize them. Just got the Dyson air purifier, which is everything. It goes hot or cold, and it takes all this toxin that usually I do by a window, which you still have the window open, sucks it all in and cleans the air. So I'm very excited about my new Dyson. You still need a humidifier for winter because that puts moisture in the air. So this is all we do. We just dribble. I started this one. I usually do like 3 to 4 colors. It's a sparkle. I'm using the new Essie Own collection. Let's do a stripe up with this. And quickly. And I let them usually dry overnight. Sparkles you sometimes have to shake out, which is kind of fun too, to just sort of splatter. Into the color. All right, and then we'll do a little silver. Get very artsy. Silver and silver is always really fun. Let it do its thing. I recycle all the bubble wrap from the packaging I get. And there you have it. Okay, so here are some of my final nail polish straps. Aren't they so fun? So this one's already on the camera. And then I have some like very 80s ones. They're all so different, which is my favorite. Like a lot of these are the same strap, but they look so different because of the polish